is an official emergency broadcast from the Department of Public Safety. At this time, we ask all residents of Greenvale County with infants under the age of 1 to pay close attention. This message is not a test. At approximately 2:14 a.m., multiple households reported a strange audio anomaly coming from their baby monitors. Parents described hearing their own voices, calm, familiar, unmistakably their own, coming from the devices while they were in separate rooms. The voices repeated gentle phrases. "It's okay now. Close your eyes. You're safe." But no one had spoken. By 2:27 a.m., the messages began to change. One father reported hearing himself whisper, "She doesn't belong to you." Another mother heard her voice murmur, "Stop pretending you love him." These were not memories. These were not things anyone had said. The monitors began responding to movement. When a parent entered the room, the voice would stop mid-sentence. When they left, it would resume, sometimes with new words. At 2:51 a.m., a mother in Oak Hill heard her voice sing a lullaby she swears she never learned. The melody did not stop when she unplugged the monitor. It grew louder. Several families have reported the monitors continuing to function after being fully disconnected. No power, no signal, no explanation. Some now emit faint static, interrupted by breathing. Not the babies. Adult. Familiar. At 3:04 a.m., a father left the monitor recording overnight. Reviewing the audio, he found 9 minutes of silence, followed by his voice whispering, "I have her eyes now." His daughter has not opened hers since. We urge all residents to stop using baby monitors immediately. Remove the device from the room, but do not destroy it. Do not speak in its presence. Do not let it hear you again. These voices are not imitations. They are replacements. Some of you may still hear them. You may think it's safe to respond. You may even think you're speaking to yourself. You're not. Please stay tuned for further instructions.